How to make Gmaster 82. Step 1. Go to the Kinemaster. Is get what to waiting. Step 2. Get edited is Kinemaster founder. It's 8 volumes. Down here. Nice. Mirroring. Step 3. Hui. In green color. In blue color. In green color. Step 4. Fishy. Step 5. Go to the strange. 30 strange. And get down pitch, up pitch. Not impossible. Of nice. Is ready. This is step 5. 6 volume, 6 pitch. Do 6. Okay. Go to the Kinemaster founders. Is here to the Gmaster makers. Step 6. 7th pitch.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.